Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best fridge for truckers that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Alpicool C15 Portable Car Freezer. Alpicool C15 Portable Car Freezer is designed for those who spend time on the road, outdoor camping, or traveling in recreational vehicles and trucks. With a 16-quart internal capacity, it offers compact storage space for keeping drinks and food items fresh during your journey. The compact design supports easy movement and can fit into various vehicles without taking up much space. It is built with durable plastic material, allowing users to carry it to different locations without worrying about breakage. The system runs on 12-volt direct current and also supports 100 to 240-volt alternating current, making it useful for both vehicle and home use. The cooling range provides flexibility to switch between freezing and refrigeration needs during long trips or outdoor events. Its construction includes high-density foam insulation that helps maintain the temperature for longer periods, even after power is off. This makes it energy efficient and suitable for places without constant electricity. The memory function remembers the temperature settings, saving effort every time you use it. This freezer has features that support car battery protection by preventing full battery drainage. Riders can choose from different levels to manage battery life. The sealed body helps avoid temperature loss, and the smooth design ensures safe transportation without leaks. Whether placed in a truck, boat, or tent, this portable refrigerator provides cooling support for food and beverages in various environments. The compact design and consistent performance make it suitable for outdoor needs and road adventures. In our list, the number 2 product name is F40C 4TMP 12-volt Portable Car Refrigerator. F40C 4TMP 12-volt refrigerator offers a portable cooling option for camping, road trips, and daily travel in vehicles like vans, trucks, boats, and recreational vehicles. With a total capacity of 18 liters, it is designed to store food and beverages while maintaining a compact shape for tight spaces. The countertop installation type allows flexible placement inside or outside vehicles during outdoor use. Its door design supports a tight seal which helps keep cold air inside, improving energy efficiency. The refrigerator operates on both 12 or 24-volt direct current and 100 to 240-volt alternating current, giving users the freedom to connect it to car batteries or home power sources depending on their needs. It provides temperature control through a clear display panel, letting users adjust settings in low-light surroundings. The panel also includes a universal serial bus charging port for electronics. Battery protection modes include high, medium, and low options to prevent total battery drain during long journeys. The design supports cooling at up to 45-degree tilt, helping maintain function during off-road travel. The low daily energy use, measured around 1 kilowatt-hour, makes it an economical choice for travelers seeking an efficient mobile cooling device. Its lightweight structure and strong compressor help maintain frozen or chilled items for extended periods. The included cables and manual assist with quick setup. Whether placed in a vehicle, boat, or used for camping, this compact refrigerator provides dependable cooling support without needing ice. In our list, the number 3 product name is BougeRV 12-volt Car Refrigerator. BougeRV 12-volt refrigerator brings a travel-friendly cooling option suitable for long road journeys, outdoor camping, and tailgating events. With a total capacity of 23 quart, it stores enough food and beverages for small families or groups on the go. The compact internal freezer setup ensures a balanced structure that easily fits into tight spaces in vehicles like sport utility vehicles, trucks, vans, and recreational vehicles. Its freestanding build makes it easy to move and place anywhere without complex installation. Power compatibility with both 12 or 24-volt direct current and 110 to 240-volt alternating current allows operation from car batteries and wall outlets alike. Low noise level of 45 decibel helps maintain quiet surroundings during sleep or rest periods while traveling. This portable freezer supports efficient cooling performance, saving energy through intelligent cycle use. Power consumption remains low, even in maximum performance mode, helping reduce electricity use during extended trips. Battery protection options with 3 voltage settings ensure vehicle power is never drained fully, which is essential during off-road or remote area travels. Durable construction and shock-resistant design maintain operation on rough terrain, including up to 30-degree inclines. The included cords and manuals support quick setup and versatile use in different environments. Lightweight structure improves portability for those frequently changing locations or moving between vehicle types. Designed to cool without needing ice, this unit provides a cost-saving solution for those looking to keep food and drinks fresh during travel. In our list, the number 4 product name is ICECO Go20 Dual Zone 12-Volt Car Refrigerator. ICECO Go20 Dual Zone 12-Volt Refrigerator is designed to bring efficient cooling on the move. With a total of 21 quart space, this compact internal freezer fits well in vehicles or small outdoor setups. The white portable design allows it to blend easily with different environments while offering good storage capacity for travel and camping needs. The refrigerator includes 2 separate zones, making it useful for storing both frozen and fresh items together. By removing the partition, it can automatically switch between single and dual zones. The app control feature allows temperature settings to be managed from a mobile device, improving ease of use during travel or outdoor stays. It is suitable for use at home and on the road with both 12-volt and 240-volt power options. The unit runs on a ICECO compressor, which is known for its strong cooling performance. It maintains temperature between 0°F and 50°F, offering reliable cooling under different outdoor conditions. The anti-bump feature supports operation on uneven roads or tilted surfaces, which helps during off-road travel or long journeys. The freestanding installation style and included accessories make it ready for use out of the box. It connects through a cigarette lighter or household outlet. The electric defrost system ensures consistent function without the hassle of manual maintenance. Designed for compact living or travel, it cuts down the size compared to traditional coolers and works without needing ice, saving both time and space. In our list, the number 5 product name is ICECO VL60 Dual Zone Portable Refrigerator. ICECO VL60 Dual Zone Portable Refrigerator is made for both travel and home use, offering a total storage capacity of 60 liters. This compact internal freezer fits well in different environments such as vehicles, campsites, or kitchens. Its green design and freestanding setup make it practical for daily use while maintaining a neat appearance. This model uses dual-zone technology, which allows the sections to function separately. It can be used as a freezer and refrigerator together or as 2 separate cooling compartments based on the need. Either section can be turned off individually to reduce energy consumption, making it more adaptable for longer journeys or home storage. The temperature range goes from 0°F to 50°F, suitable for a wide range of food or drink storage. Powered by a ICECO compressor, this appliance performs well even when placed at a tilt of up to 40 degrees. The cooling performance can be switched between Eco mode for efficiency and Max mode for faster results. It comes ready with both direct current and alternating current cables, suitable for 12-volt and 24-volt in vehicles and up to 240-volt in households. This keeps the setup clean by avoiding too many wires. The outer build includes a strong metal shell and thick insulation walls. The interior is well lit for nighttime access, and the removable wire baskets help with faster organization. This design supports frequent travel while maintaining steady performance in different situations. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.